Wash and peel 500 grams of carrots. Put them in a pan with cold water and bring them to a boil. Once they are soft, you are going to remove them and put them into a food processor or high-speed blender. Add 100 grams of butter and blend it all up. Now transfer into a container and let it completely cool down. In another bowl we are going to add 2 egg whites, and the egg yolks we are going to add to our now cool mixture and mix them up. Here I have 150 grams of sugar, as well as a combination of 100 grams of rice flour and 50 grams of gluten-free plain flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You need to sieve the flour and add the sugar. Now mix it all up. As for the egg whites, you need to bring them to stiff peaks. Add half of the egg whites to your carrot mixture and mix it all up. Then add the remaining half of the egg whites and this time fold them gently as to avoid losing all the air bubbles. Grease a 9-inch cake tin and dust some flour on top as to avoid the cake from sticking. Make sure that the flour goes to all sides. Now transfer your mixture into your cake tin and put in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 30 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. Now let it rest in the tin for about 10 minutes. You can use any combination of flours that you have, however I have found that the combination of rice flour and plain flour work best. Here it is, I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in my next video. My name is Carolina. Stay strong, healthy and happy.